Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your friends on Snapchat fast. So this is the only way to remove your Snapchat friend, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in a fast way, alright? So before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. First thing first, you want to click on your message looking icon at the bottom right, so it's going to take you to chat. Most people, what they do is just like hold on their friend's name over here and go on chat setting and do all these different stuff, alright? But this is a really slow process. A little fast process is just click on your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Once you're inside the profile, just scroll a bit down and you can see my friends option. Just click on my friends. Once you're inside my friends, all of your friends are going to be shown. Now the fast way to remove friends is just hold on your friend's name, click on manage friendship, click on remove friend, and they will be removed. And just like this, you have to do it individually for individual friends. There's no button which you can just click and it's going to select all and remove all of them. No, the only way to do that is by deleting your Snapchat account and creating a new one. In that case, it's only going to work. Otherwise, you have to do it individually just like I did. But yeah, this is the only working way on how you guys can remove your friends fast on Snapchat. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Some people might say download another app and then link your account and it's going to remove all your friends multiply fast. I'm going to say not to use those kind of apps because a lot of people's account has been hacked using those kind of apps. So if you're using that kind of app, be careful. You might lose your Snapchat account. Alright, so yeah. This is just a warning from me to you. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide them. Bye bye.